everyone. Good morning to students as well as our parents. Thank you all for your support for this online classes. This makes us more energetic to perform even more well. Thank you for this wonderful support. Hope you all learned some interesting things that is made up of a waste from the last week's lesson. So today we are going to see a new lesson of grade 5 unit 1. We have second lesson also in unit 1, that is bamboo curry. Okay, the name of the lesson is bamboo curry. So here also again we came to a new lesson. There is also a curry which is made up of bamboo. Okay, you know what is mean by bamboo, dears? Most of the furniture items are made up of bamboo. Yes. And this bamboo is not actually a tree. It is a long grass. Okay, it is not actually a tree. It is a long grass which is little bit harder. Okay, so usually you might have heard some windows, doors, furniture items are made of bamboo. But here in this lesson, in this bamboo we made a curry. Okay, not the preparation process like wonderful days lesson. Here is a story. A funny story in this bamboo curry lesson. Let us get into the lesson, children. Once there was a Santal bridegroom in a village. Okay, Santal bridegroom. What is meant by Santal bridegroom? Santal means a group of tribal people who lives in eastern part of India. Okay, bride and groom. Santal bridegroom. Bridegroom means a newly married couple, you all know. Yes. So the groom is the male and the bride is the female. Okay. So a newly married Santal bridegroom lives in a village. One day the groom went to his mother-in-law's house. It is in another village. Okay. He went there and in that afternoon his mother-in-law prepared lunch for that groom. He ate the lunch and she made a dish made up of bamboo. Okay. She made a dish made up of bamboo. He ate that dish and he was wondering, oh, this was such a wonderful dish, tasty dish. So mother-in-law, from which you made it? I never ate such a tasty food item. So the mother-in-law pointed, she simply pointed her finger towards the bamboo door, okay, which is in her house. So what this groom thought, this dish is made of bamboo door. Okay, he thought of bamboo door and he was in our village. No bamboo doors are there, no bamboos are there. So let us carry this bamboo to our house. So what he did, he took that bamboo along with him and he went to his village. There he went and he told his wife to prepare a dish by using the bamboo door. His wife was wondering how to make a dish with this bamboo door. It is such hard thing, how to do a dish with it. Now this groom is telling, don't worry about that. I will help you by chopping the bamboo doors. So you don't feel about it. So he also helped the wife. He cut and gave all the bamboo doors. Now the wife took it and put it on fire to boil it. It is boiling for a long time. She cooked it and cooked it again and again, but it is not becoming soft. Okay, it is still harder. Later on, he came, why you are taking this much of time? Let me taste and see. He took one piece and tasted. It is so hot. So now he is shouting, I can't eat it. You don't know even to make this. Okay, now and this evening, their in-laws, okay, the bride's father, mother, brother, they all came to their village to visit them. Okay, by that time they all were laughing. They came to know about this funny situation in their house and they all were laughing at him because of his foolishness. Because there is a secret that dish was actually not made up of bamboo door. It is just made up of bamboo shoot. Okay, it is the youngest part of the bamboo. When it is grown up, in that stage it is called bamboo shoot. These bamboo shoot are eaten as vegetables. Okay, so she simply pointed at the bamboo door in the sense it is not made up of bamboo door, it is actually made of bamboo. Okay, but he mistook that it is made up of bamboo door. So this is the lesson, children. It is a tale. Okay, so let us see some New words. Santal. Visited. Pointed. Bamboo. Leave. Curry. Chop. Shoot. Young. Couple. Dish. Meanings to know. Santal. A group of tribal people living in eastern India. Visit. To go and see someone. Bamboo. A type of grass. Curry. An Indian spicy dish. Chop. Cut. Shoot. In this lesson, shoot refers to a young branch. Now let us see some question answers. First question. Whom did the Santal bridegroom visit? The Santal bridegroom visited his in-laws. It shows that he has gone to his mother-in-law's house. Second question. What did the mother-in-law cook? The mother-in-law cooked a special dish made of bamboo shoots for the bridegroom. Note this point. That special dish is made up of bamboo shoots and not from the bamboo or bamboo door. Third question. Why did the mother-in-law point at the bamboo door? The bridegroom liked the special dish prepared by the mother-in-law. He asked the mother-in-law what it was and she pointed at the bamboo door. So by eating the special dish, the groom had asked his mother-in-law, right? From which you made this special dish. So the mother-in-law pointed towards the bamboo door. Fourth question. Why did the bridegroom remove the bamboo door of the house? The bridegroom removed the bamboo door of the in-laws house because there was no bamboo in his village. As there was no bamboos in the groom's village, he decided to take the bamboo door of his mother-in-law's house to his village. Fifth question. What did the bridegroom tell his wife? The bridegroom told his wife to make curry with the bamboo door. He took that bamboo door along with him, right? He gave that bamboo door to his wife and asked her to make a dish with that door. Sixth question. Could the bridegroom eat the curry? Why? No, the bridegroom could not eat the curry as it was too hot. Even though his wife boiled it again and again, but it is still hot. It didn't become soft. So the groom can't eat the bamboo door. Seventh question. Why did the in-laws laugh at the bridegroom? The in-laws laughed at the bridegroom's foolishness as the curry is to be made from bamboo shoots and not from a bamboo door. So by that evening, the in-laws came to the groom's house, right? By knowing all these things, they laughed at his foolishness because without knowing what it is made of, he simply took the door and gave it to his wife. Okay, even we will think, no, our door will be cooked. If it is cooked also, it will remain hot. Without even thinking that, he behaved foolish. Okay, so they laughed at him. Okay children, hope you all like this lesson. So please watch the video once or twice and read the lesson properly. Do the homeworks then and there. Don't take your homeworks the next day. Prepare well. Okay, if you postpone your works, then it will be a burden for you later. So please finish off your works then and there. Thank you children.